parating, hanap pa rin ay iyong lambing.
Ryan, before you, I thought love was something na darating lang basta. But when God wrote our story, He reminded me that true love is not about chance, but about His perfect timing. We met in the most ordinary way, sa work lang like any other day. At first, I didn't even pay much attention to you, but in your simplicity, I found something that stirred my heart. I got curious. What if I tried to know Him? And when I did, I discovered the most positive person I know. With you, there are no dull moments, no space for negativity, and no chance for loneliness.
Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi, di na mapilang ang ating mga.
This is, when you meet the one, alam mo na agad. For me, di ko alam mo paano ipaliwanag. But the first time I saw you, I know there's something special. Para bang may magnet na hinihila sa akin. And the right thing, there, I know how to take a chance.
Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli.
My beautiful baby, my love every single day with you feels like a blessing. I never want to end. You make my world brighter, my heart lighter, and my soul complete. I'm so grateful for you. Your patience and the way you always make me feel special. No matter where life takes us, know that my heart belongs to you. Today, tomorrow, and always. I love you always and forever.
Kung balikan man ang
Take this simple gift as my simple appreciation sa lahat ng effort mo to support your life. And alam ko, simple lang ang gusto mo. Always remember na mahal kita. Happy wedding day, my love. I can't wait to start this incredible journey with you. I spend the rest of my life by your side.
Papalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin. Nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo iyo ako. Palagi.
Ryan at Karen Marie, patuloy kaming umaasa, magsama habang buhay at magmahalan katulad ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa inyong dalawa.
Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalubong. Ating awit ay ginuhit ng langit at araw-araw napapatanong, paanong natupad aking bulong, kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napalapit. Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mundo?
Thank you mga, kasi sa hirap ng buhay, pinalaki mo kami na maayos. Kahit wala si Papa, andiyan ka pa rin, masuporta sa amin lagi. Thank you. I love you.
Salamat sa pagsuporta niya sa pamilya. Very supportive kasi thank you sa lahat. Thank you.
Tito, thank you kasi ikaw yung naging pangalawang tatay namin at ginagabayan mo yung kapatid ko.
Ay nak, mag-asawa ka na. Kakasal ka na, ito na. Alam mo yung buhay pag-aasawa, hindi yan. Kanyang na isusubo, nailuluwa pagka ayaw na. Congratulations anak. Best wishes. Andito lang si Mama. I love you.
Thank you, Ma, sa lahat. Ayoko umiyak. Mahal na mahal kita. Kahit yung tayo masyado magkakasama.
Paano nangyari sa
I vow to love with you, cry with you, and drink with you in every single moment. I will kiss you all over again. I love you more in every single sunrise, and I will walk with you for all the days of my life. Our special day that I can call you mine is because bounded by love, understanding, patience to each other. My prayers start with sana, siya na, but today answered my prayers. My forever begins with you, always and with you. I love you.
I promise to be not just a good wife and seeing mother of your child, but your constant partner in faith as we walk hand in hand in the beautiful path God prepared for us. At itong tatandaan mo palagi, our love is not built on chance or luck. It is God's perfect design, and I will spend the rest of my life honoring that design by loving you every single day until forever. Mahal na mahal kita. Love, Ayan ang buhay mo.